Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's me and Sharp. Today's video, we're going to unbox our Boxycharm for the month of August. For this month, I will also gonna include the Ipsy. So yeah, I got the Ipsy GLAM Plus box here. So we're gonna compare it side by side so we can compare which one is better. Both of them, well, actually Boxycharm is a $21 a monthly subscription, and the Ipsy is around $24 monthly subscription. It's an upgraded version of the $10 on the 1.5 pink foil. So they're around the same price range. It also comes with 4 to 5 full-size products. Now the difference with the smaller one, actually I'm gonna show you, is sometimes they put like full-size products in it, but mostly they're all sample sizes. They're really smaller ones, and this one they're full sizes, so there's 4 to 5 full sizes, just like the Boxycharm. But you know, so Boxycharm is a little cheaper, like $2 cheaper, but Boxycharm's my all-time favorite since I've started subscription boxes. Without further ado guys, we're gonna start now unboxing and try on for the products that I got from here. Well, I've already went ahead, did my foundation, did my eyebrows, but I haven't done my concealer and my the rest of my face. I checked whatever's inside the box so that I'll know what to do. Let's go on to the Boxycharm. Okay, so this is my Boxycharm box. Let's see what's inside. So it comes with a card with all the information of the products that's in here. Why is that keeps falling? So first is I got this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This one I don't think I'm able to use this one. I pass this along, or maybe give it to my cousin. Yeah, so that Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil is $42. Wow, that's more than the price of the box. Yeah, but yeah, I'll pass this along because I don't think I can use that. Alright, so next is this. Wow, it's Big Ego Tart. That's so pretty. It's so pink. I love the packaging. Yeah, so it'll give you this full lash. So, and this one is the Big Ego Mascara is $23. So yeah, that's more than the box too. And an ultra black vegan mascara that fits your lashes and delivers fully loaded floater up to 16 hours. Wow. Alright, let's try that out later. And then I have this Pure Barbie. Wow, Barbie. I love some Barbie. Barbie Glittery Pink Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I got another peel off mask. I don't think I will be able to use that today because I've already, did my face. And next is I got this Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Wow, look at that eyelashes. It's so pretty, so I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna put that on later on. Let's proceed. So this one I was so excited about. This is the Becca Hydra Mist. Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. and this one's around $39. Wow, I've actually never tried a Becca powder before. Yeah, so this is gonna be so exciting. I've only tried their some foundations and their highlighters, but wow, so that's a sample size, and that looks so nice. Okay, so that's what I got. So some stuff that I can use and really pretty. So let's proceed to the Ipsy one. Ugh. I haven't set my face, guys, and haven't done my concealer, so excuse my eye bags. So my face is so sticky because I haven't set it. Anyways, let's proceed to the Ipsy. Okay, so actually my box is a little damaged, so yeah, from the mail, from the post service, so yeah. But anyways, everything are still in here, so that's what it looks like. Whew. Alright, and they also comes with a card with all the info that's in here. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out. Well, the first thing that's in here is this palette. This is both makeup. This is both face and eye palette. And I've already had one like this in the past. Well, I've already got one of this palette. I'm not gonna use this one, or I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm gonna put that to my giveaway pile, but I'm gonna show you how they look like. I actually already have one of these. I think I've decluttered it too because yeah, I don't know. Because I already have some of this stuff individual, like over here, the very pretty I don't know if you can see it, the Mary Luminizer highlighter, and they have this Bahama Mama bronzer, which is really nice. So I've already have this one, so I don't think I'm gonna keep this. So I'm gonna put this in my giveaway pile. So, you know, watch out for the giveaway soon. It's coming up soon. Okay, so I also got this. Oh, and that is, and the price for that and the value for that is $32. So that's also already more than the price of this box. And then next is this Ahava. I really love this pretty, you know, this color, the turquoise color, or like aquamarine color. Yeah, so this is a hydration cream mask. So this is a mask that helps hydrate. These are good for, yeah, you know, for dry skin. And yeah, so this is around $33. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of money. All right, next is this Tokyo Milk Blush Oil Stick. See, that's the reason why, see, you know, I haven't really done nothing to my face yet, so look at that. That's so pretty. That's a pretty packaging, and it's the cream, yeah, it's a cream blush. It's kind of red. Yeah, so yep, I wonder if this can works on lips too. And the price for that is $24. So next is this Smith & Colt nail lacquer in pillow pie. That's a really pretty cream colored nail, you know, nail polish. But yeah, I don't do my nails. I'm not allowed to like have nail polish in my hands because of my work. So I'm gonna put that on the giveaway pile. Okay, and then the last in my box is this Farrah brushes, Show Me Magic eye brush set. So yeah, that's so pretty. Let me open this up. This one is actually a typical, like the eye essential. So when you're just, a beginner for makeup, these are all the brushes that you really need. So it has like, this one is a blending brush, you can use that one. This one is the flat shader brush for shimmers, and then you can also use this one for crease. See that one? And we have the pencil brush to smudge the bottom lash, and it has this little flat angled one. You can use this one as to do the eyeliner. Pretty. And this one is around, well, $50. So that means there's 5 of these, so each brush costs $10. So that's it for our boxes. So what do you guys think? Which box do you guys think is better? Yeah, leave a comment down below. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead try on some stuff. Actually wants to use this one too. I want to use this, and I want to use their brush, and then I'm gonna use the lashes from the Boxycharm, the Becca ones, and this one. So alright, let's proceed. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer, so I'll be back. Alright, so my concealer is on and then now we're gonna try to use this Becca. I'm gonna try not to smile that much because I don't want to like put a line. So they said this one is like water, so I don't know if I can really believe that. So it has like, it's sealed right here, and it has, I'm gonna take the thing. Okay, so I have my damp beauty blender. Let's dunk it in here, right? That's actually a weird feeling. It feels wet. Wow. Like it feels like there's water in it. Wow. And it's dry. It feels like there's water in there. It's like magic. Wow. I've never tried anything like this before. Wow, that's so pretty. Kinda wanna set my whole face with this. And it sets pretty good. Wow, that's so pretty. It feels so good. it feels like I just put water in my face. Yeah, I'm gonna bake it a little bit. And yeah, that's a wow, really. It's so pretty. I wouldn't really buy a whole thing like this, so that's amazing that Boxycharm put it in this, you know, in the box. Yeah, wow. All right, so let me use this milk one. I've never really used this one before, and I don't really like cream blushes, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna use my my brush. I put a little, I don't know how it works with a brush. It's on my face. Alright, so that's it. Had it on. Alright, I'm gonna swipe up all like the excess powder. It feels like there's no excess powder, to be honest, but I know there's kind of like a flashback. I'm out here, so I'm gonna just brush it off. Alright. Let me finish my whole entire face, like bronzer and contour and everything, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so this is our finished looks. I hope you guys like this makeup look. Yeah, and let me know which box is better. For me, it's a draw. I like both. Not all of what's in the box is like really I can use. I like some of it, so that's what I use in my face, but some I don't think I can use it because the facial oil or the facial oil, I don't like putting anything like oil stuff in my face because my face is already oily itself, so I don't need that. But yeah, so I love the lashes. I love the brightening powder. Even the mascara is not that bad. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yes, so if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button and a notification bell down below so you can get updated for my next unboxing. Yes, so I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Alright, see you guys. Bye.